Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the Instagram plus option not showing problem and how to get the Instagram plus subscription option on your account. See, Instagram plus option not showing problem. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Instagram and tap on Instagram, and now check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen, and now long tap your Instagram app, tap on I button, scroll down, then tap on force stops. Okay, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow, and another call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone ports and videos. First to last allow all permission, complete, and back to home screen. And now open your Instagram app, tap on profile icon, tap on three-line option and scroll down, tap on help option, report app problem, again report problem, tap on include and continue. Now enter your problem here. See, hello Instagram support, I am experiencing an issue where the Instagram plus subscription option is not showing on my account. And see, now enter your put here and tap on send option, and now waiting 24 hours, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.